So you want to start your own community, but you don't know what you have to offer that people actually want to buy and want to stay. I want to break that down for you today really quickly, so you can apply it today into your offer and get to work. If you want help with it, let me know in the comments. I will help you as best as I can. Now, the first thing to always include is personality. They want to learn from you because they know you. You have a parasocial relationship with your audience. So if you want to drive people from your audience into your community, they want to know from you. They want to interact with you. So make sure that you do include the calls with you. It can be one-to-many or one-to-one, depending on the price range. But one-to-many I recommend for the most people, to really get this interaction with your community. Online paid community is a great place to connect with your most engaged followers, and they want to learn from you. So do calls with them, either on a monthly basis if it's lower ticket, maybe a weekly basis if it's higher ticket, and you can change it to one-on-one if it's really high ticket, like $300-$400 per month. Plus you can add each one-to-one weekly basis. You can go crazy with it, but include this personal touch. Then the second thing is answer to their questions. People want to ask questions to you because they follow you for a reason. Let it sink in. If you don't answer their questions, how would they trust you or like you anymore? Because that's the thing that they are following you for. They want to learn from you, and if they can't get answers to their questions, they have no interest in you anymore. So in your community, online paid community, make sure to answer to their questions that they ask via post, via comment, in a call, no matter what. Make sure that you chat with them, talk to them, listen to them, and answer their questions. And the third thing is to keep up the frequency and consistency. Post high value content inside the community often and reliably often. So maybe one post a day or 2 posts a day, really valuable inside the community, so people come back, engage, ask more questions, get more engagement. The community starts to get traction. A community is formed once people start to connect with each other without you being the connection point. So that's what you want to achieve. This is just a quick rundown of some things, those 3 things that I think are just essentials for every community to make this business work. Let me know if it helped you, and as always, keep building.